Welcome back to Brain Tech Talk, your one-stop channel for all things tech. I'm C-Sky, and today we've got some thrilling news to share about a surprise event from Google that has just been announced. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Out of nowhere, Google has dropped a bombshell announcement. They've scheduled a major event for August 13th, 2024 at 10 a.m. PT in Mountain View, California. Yes, you heard that right. Google is breaking their usual pattern. On June 25th, Google sent out press invites for this new Made by Google event. The invite hints at showcasing the best of Google AI, Android software, and the Pixel portfolio of devices. Exciting, right? And if that wasn't enough, the Google Store website has a new banner at the top, boldly stating, "Change is coming," with the Roman numerals 8/3 amicus swore, which of course translates to August 13th, 2024. Although the invite and teaser page are pretty cryptic, the URL for the Google Store page gives us a big hint. It contains magazine/Google_Pixel_9_Pro, which strongly suggests we'll see the Pixel 9 Pro at this event. This timing is quite a surprise, since Google usually holds these events in October to unveil their latest Pixel smartphones. But it looks like they're switching things up this year, launching much earlier than expected. So besides the Pixel 9 Pro, what else can we expect? Rumors are flying that we'll see 4 new Pixel models: the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and an all-new folding Pixel phone. Some are calling it the Pixel Fold 2, others the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Personally, I'm hoping for the Pixel Fold 2. But that's not all. We're also expecting the Google Pixel Watch 3, likely in 2 sizes for the first time ever, a regular Pixel Watch 3 and a larger Pixel Watch 3 XL. I can't wait to see how these look and function. Now let's talk about the Google AI and Android news. We might see some new features that were teased at Google I/O 2024 earlier this year. And here's the kicker: Google could be releasing the public build of Android 15 at this event. That would make this one of the most packed and exciting Google events ever. With so much on the horizon, August 13th is shaping up to be a monumental day for Google fans and tech enthusiasts alike. From the latest Pixel devices to groundbreaking AI advancements and a new Android version, there's a lot to look forward to. So mark your calendars and stay tuned to Brain Tech Talk for all the latest updates. We'll be covering the event live and breaking down every announcement just for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the excitement. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep teching on. Catch you next time on Brain Tech Talk.